Welcome to AgriLearner Current Affairs. You can join at www.agriguru.in for further current affairs related to agriculture. This is Nidhishri and today we are going to see the current affairs of the month March. And this is part 1. The first question here we go with, where is the Asia's first National Dolphin Research Center is set to come up? And the options are 1. Lucknow, Uttar Pradesh, 2. Kolkata, West Bengal, 3. Patna, Bihar, 4. Varanasi, Uttar Pradesh, 5. Haridwar, Uttarakhand. And the correct answer is 3. Patna, Bihar. The reason, it is the India's and Asia's first National Dolphin Research Center. It is located in the bank of the Ganges. And 50% of the world's river dolphin population is seen in this area, and it is also considered as an highly endangered species. Question 2. Which state government announced to set up a new state tribal university in its 2021 budget? And the options are 1. Odisha, 2. Jharkhand, 3. Gujarat, 4. Mizoram, 5. Chhattisgarh. And the correct answer is 2. Jharkhand. The reason, the Finance Minister of Jharkhand, Dr. Rameshwar Oran, presented the state budget worth Rs 91,277 crore for the financial year 2021 to 22 in the State Assembly at Ranchi. And the key allocations of this is an honorarium of Mahatma Gandhi Employment Guarantee Act workers has been increased and fixed at Rs 225. A provision has also been made for better education for the scheduled castes and scheduled tribe students of the state by opening up of a new state tribal university. Question 3. Who recently, in March 21, launched the CSIR Floriculture Mission of India? And the options are 1. Narendra Modi, 2. Nitin Gadkari, 3. Payush Goyal, 4. Harshvardhan, 5. Prakash Javadekar. And the correct answer is 4. Harshvardhan. The reason, on March 4, 2021, Union Minister Dr. Harshvardhan, Ministry of Science and Technology, virtually launched the Council of Scientific and Industrial Research Floriculture Mission in New Delhi. It is approved by Government of India and it is planned to implement in 21 states and union territories of India. The main focus is on commercial floral crops, seasonal or annual crops, wild ornaments, and cultivation of flower crops for honeybee rearing. Question 4. To which country India has sent in March 2021 1,000 metric tons of rice along with 1 lakh hydroxychloroquine tablets in INS Jalashwa as drought relief? And the options are 1. Jordan, 2. Yemen, 3. Madagascar, 4. Afghanistan, 5. Ethiopia. And the correct answer is 3. Madagascar. And the reason, on March 3rd, India sent 1,000 metric tons of rice along with 1 lakh hydroxychloroquine tablets in INS Jalashwa to drought-hit Madagascar. And the Indian Ocean region is hit severely by drought for the past 3 years, and currently the situation has worsened. India has also sent Indian Navy training team along with the consignment to train the Madagascar Special Forces. Question 5. Where is India's first forest healing center located? What was inspired from the Japanese technique of forest bathing for stress relief and mood regeneration? And the options are 1. Sikkim, 2. Uttarakhand, 3. Assam, 4. Himachal Pradesh, 5. Madhya Pradesh. And the correct answer is 2. Uttarakhand. It is the India's first forest healing center and it is inaugurated by the noted environmentalist Jogendra Bisht in the pine-dominated forest which is located at Ranikhet in Kalika, Uttarakhand. It was developed by the research wing of Uttarakhand Forest Department and the area coverage is 13 acres. The forest is inspired from the Japanese technique of forest bathing which is locally called as Shinrin Yoku and ancient Indian traditions. It is themed as be silent, go slow, think less and feel more. Question 6. Which country is planning as of March 2021 to establish a center of excellence for the dairy sector in Rajasthan? And the options are 1. Sweden, 2. Norway, 3. Denmark, 4. Switzerland, 5. Belgium. And the correct option is 3. Denmark. The reason, on March 6, 2021, Denmark Ambassador Freddie Swan had a meeting with Rajasthan Chief Minister Ashok Gehlot and Governor Kalraj Mishra to set up a center of excellence for the dairy sector in Rajasthan. And Rajasthan is the second largest milk producing state and it contributes nearly 11% to the total milk production. Question 7. Where was the Tribes India Geographical Indication Mahotsav organized by TriFed held? That showcased various geographical indicated products across India. And the options are 1. New Delhi, 2. Gangtok, Sikkim, 3. Darjeeling, West Bengal, 4. Bhopal, Madhya Pradesh, 5. Mussoorie, Uttarakhand. And the correct answer is 5. Mussoorie, Uttarakhand. The reason, Arjun Manda, Union Minister, Ministry of Tribal Affairs, inaugurated the Tribes India Geographical Indication Mahotsav at Lal Bahadur Shastri National Academy of Administration, Mussoorie, Uttarakhand. The event organized by TriFed in the first of its kind exhibition featuring the geographical indicated products from across India. And here, few points about TriFed. The managing director of TriFed is Prabir Krishna and the headquarters is located at New Delhi. Question 8. Which state celebrated in March 2021 the 3-day long Kalanamak Rice Festival? And the options are 1. Punjab, 2. Madhya Pradesh, 3. Karnataka, 4. Assam, 5. Uttar Pradesh. And the correct answer is 5. Uttar Pradesh. The reason, on March 13, 2021, Uttar Pradesh Chief Minister Yogi Adityanath launched a 3-day long Kalanamak Rice Festival, which is also called as Buddha Rice, in Siddharth Nagar under One District One Product scheme of the state government. It was previously declared under the One District One Product scheme for Uttar Pradesh Siddharth Nagar in 2018. Question 9. Which state government announced a special campaign Har Khet Swasth Khet focusing on soil health and facilitating cropping choices based on soil quality? And the options are 1. Uttar Pradesh, 2. Assam, 3. Punjab, 4. Karnataka, 5. Haryana. And the correct answer is 5. Haryana. Explanation. Haryana Chief Minister Manohar Lal Khattar, who also holds the finance portfolio, presented the state budget for the financial year 2021-22. A special campaign Har Khet Swasth Khet announced to focus on soil health and facilitating cropping choices based on soil quality. Rupees 2,400 allocated for setting up India International Horticulture Market at Ganor, Sonipat. The increased financial assistance under Dr. B.R. Ambedkar Awas Naveenkaran Yojana to rupees 80,000 from rupees 50,000 for repair of houses belonging to scheduled caste families living below poverty line. Question 10. As per Ministry of Agriculture and Farmers Welfare's data, Sikkim, Andhra Pradesh, Karnataka and Maharashtra have more than half of the micro-irrigated farmlands in India. Under which central government scheme per drop more crop was included as a component? And the options are 1. Micro-irrigation fund scheme, 2. Paramparak Krishi Vikas Yojana, 3. Pradhan Mantri Fasal Bima Yojana, 4. National Mission for Sustainable Agriculture, 5. Pradhan Mantri Krishi Sanchay Yojana. And the correct answer is option 5. Pradhan Mantri Krishi Sanchay Yojana. The explanation, according to the data which is published by Ministry of Agriculture and Farmers Welfare to Lok Sabha, 4 states namely Sikkim, Andhra Pradesh, Karnataka and Maharashtra have more than half of the net cultivated farmlands under micro-irrigation. Irrigation cost has been reduced by 20 to 50% by implementing the micro-irrigation techniques. And the schemes which has come to improve micro-irrigation in India are per drop more crop component of Pradhan Mantri Krishi Sanchay Yojana, micro-irrigation fund. It is operationalized in NABARD from 2019 to 20. Question 11. Which state presented its budget for financial year 2021 to 22 that allocates rupees 14,800 crore for Raitu Bandhu scheme, a financial assistance scheme for farmers? And the options are 1. Karnataka, 2. Andhra Pradesh, 3. Telangana, 4. Tamil Nadu, 5. Odisha. And the correct answer is 3. Telangana. On March 18, 2021, Telangana Finance Minister T. Harish Rao presented the state budget for the financial year 2021 to 22, and the state has allocated Indian rupees of 14,800 crore for Raitu Bandhu, a financial assistance scheme for farmers, and it also allocated Indian rupees of 11,728 crore for Asara pension scheme. Question 12. Where was China Day celebrated to mark the importance of the endangered tree? And the options are Meghalaya, Sikkim, Goa, Chhattisgarh, Jammu and Kashmir. And the correct answer is option 5, Jammu and Kashmir. And this picture represents the China tree. The reason the China tree celebrated across Jammu and Kashmir on 15th March 2021. The government of Jammu and Kashmir has launched a drive to protect the endangered heritage of the oriental plane trees of Kashmir and plant China trees, which is popularly known as View in Jammu and Kashmir. Question 13. Which state emerged as a champion state in March 2021 for successful implementation of Vandhan Vikas Yojana? And the options are 1. Assam, 2. Jharkhand, 3. Nagaland, 4. Kerala, 5. Manipur. And the correct option is option 5, Manipur. The reason, with active cooperation of the state government of Manipur, Vandhan Vikas Yojana has been successfully implemented in the state, and the state is considered as a champion state for this scheme. And it has successfully established of 100 Vandhan Vikas Kendras in the state. The program for value addition, branding and marketing of minor forest produce are also considered under this scheme. Question 14. Which is India's first union territory and third state or union territory to achieve 100% functional household tap connection under Jal Jeevan Mission? And the options are 1. Ladakh, 2. Delhi, 3. Puducherry, 4. Diu and Daman, 5. Andaman and Nicobar. And the correct answer is option 5, Andaman and Nicobar. The reason, on World Water Day, 22nd March 2021, late Governor of Andaman and Nicobar, Admiral D.K. Joshi, announced the Union Territory as 100% functional household tap connection under Jal Jeevan Mission. And it is the India's first Union Territory and third state or Union Territory to achieve the target only after Goa and Telangana. Question 15. Which state government recently in March 2021 celebrated a banana festival? And the options are 1. Madhya Pradesh, 2. Uttar Pradesh, 3. Kerala, 4. Tamil Nadu, 5. Andhra Pradesh. And the correct answer is 2. Uttar Pradesh. The reason, Uttar Pradesh government has organized a banana festival at Buddha Park in Kushinagar from March 22 to 25 of the year 2021. The products made of banana from Kushinagar are included in One District, One Product scheme. Question 16. Where was the Shahid Ashfaq Ullah Khan Zoological Park inaugurated in March 2021? And the options are Madhya Pradesh, New Delhi, Haryana, Uttar Pradesh, Chhattisgarh. And the correct answer is Uttar Pradesh. The reason, on March 27, 2021, CM Yogi Adityanath inaugurated Shahid Ashfaq Ullah Khan Zoological Park at Gorakhpur in Uttar Pradesh, which is named after a freedom fighter, Shahid Ashfaq Ullah Khan. Question 17. Which year was adopted as International Year of Millets by UN General Assembly based on the resolution initiated by India? And the options are 1. 2025, 2. 2021, 3. 2024, 4. 2022, 5. 2023. And the correct answer is option 5, 2023. The reason, on March 2021, the United Nations General Assembly adopted a resolution sponsored by India to mark 2023 as the International Year of Millets. This was initiated by India along with few other countries, namely Bangladesh, Kenya, Nepal, Nigeria, Russia, and Senegal. It is also supported by over 70 nations. The resolution called for the Food and Agriculture Organization of the United Nations to implement the International Year of Millets in 2023. Previously, India celebrated in 2018 as a National Year of Millets. Question 18. Which country is developing the world's first sanctuary for platypus, an egg-laying semi-aquatic animal? And the options are 1. New Zealand, 2. Canada, 3. India, 4. Australia, 5. Greece. And the correct answer is option 4. Australia. And this is the picture representing platypus. Platypus is a mammal which lays egg. And Australia is building the world's first sanctuary for platypus. As I said before, it is an egg-laying mammal which lives in a semi-aquatic creature. It normally lives in small streams and slow-moving rivers at cool temperature. It is considered as a protected species because most of them are affected during the Australia bushfires which occurred in 2019 to 20. The sanctuary will likely be built up by 2022. Question 19. Which state government announced the Rajiv Gandhi Nyay scheme for its rural landless labourers? And the options are 1. Tamil Nadu, 2. Rajasthan, 3. Chhattisgarh, 4. Punjab, 5. Mizoram. And the correct answer is 3. Chhattisgarh. The reason: HIGHT stands for H. Holistic development, E. Education, equal opportunity for all, I. Infrastructure, G. Governance, H. Health, T. Transformation. And the new scheme launched in the state budget are Rajiv Gandhi Nyay scheme with rupees 5,703 crores will be started for rural agriculture landless labourers. Mahendra Karma Tendupata Collector Social Security Scheme, Swami Atmanand English Medium School Scheme. Question 20, and this is a quiz question. You can comment the answer in the comment box. Which state has allocated rupees 3,200 crores in its 2021 budget for Chief Minister Kisan Kalyan Yojana that provides rupees 4,000 annually to farmers? And the options are 1. Mizoram, 2. Himachal Pradesh, 3. Gujarat, 4. Madhya Pradesh, 5. Uttarakhand. Please answer it in comment box. Thank you. You can join at www.agriguru.in for further current affairs related to agriculture, and you can start gaining the knowledge of agriculture. Thank you.